Welcome to the overview of the Quiz Builder. To access the Quiz Builder, you're going to go to Tools and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click See More and click on Quiz Builder. Your dashboard might look different than mine, especially if you are new in Builderall and you have never created a quiz. Otherwise, if you have, you will see some activity happening at the top. You can see that we've got 2 quizzes, 0 trivias, 1 poll, and no surveys. You can also see all of them together, grouped by name, by the type that you've got, as well as different responses. The green little button right here means that it is active. If I slide it to the other way, it will disable it and will no longer be available to do. So I'm just going to place it back. On the right hand side, we've got share button, which means it's an embedded button. You can either choose to take the direct link and send it to somebody, or use it in your email sequences, or you can even take the embedded code and add it into your website or any other website. It doesn't have to be a Builderall website. Next to it is the edit button so that you can do any changes. Then we've got the view button as how it would look like when it's online. We also got a duplicate button if you do not want to go through the whole process and you maybe just want to change here and there something small. You would also be able to see all the responses of that specific survey or quiz that you've created. And you can also transfer this to another user inside of Builderall. And if you no longer want to use it, you can click on delete. If you've got plenty of different kinds of quizzes, you would be able to do a search and to find a specific one or look for it by category. Now, there is one other place that you need to go and click, and that is the settings area. And this is where you would be able to choose the user path as well as your time zone. This is quite important to do too. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard of the Quiz Builder. To create a new quiz, you can just click New Quiz right here on the left-hand side, or right here you can click New Quiz. Now, in Builderall, the quiz creator is not just a quiz. There are a variety of different things you can do. We've got a quiz, we've got a trivia, a poll, and a survey. So if you click on quiz, it's going to give you some examples like a personality and a diagnostic quiz, as well as the feature that's available. Clicking on trivia, you will see fun facts, evaluation questionnaire, as well as some features. The same apply to the poll as well as the survey. So there's multiple things that you can do with inside of the quiz app. Now, if you want to get started with it, you can just click on quiz and click on create quiz. Now, during the creation of the quiz, you will see multiple questions being asked that you can complete, and you would also be able to connect your mailing boss list. So it's important to go and create your mailing boss list if you would like to use it within the quiz. And that is basically the dashboard for the Quiz Builder. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in another.